Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is Gift here. If you're new, you're highly welcome. In today's video, we're going to be tackling this mess you're seeing right here. This is my kitchen, my spice section. Please don't judge me, please don't judge me, please don't judge me. So we're going to be getting rid of this mess. So first of all, before we begin, you guys, I have this kitchen rag that I got from a store, and these ingredient containers, and I love them so much. So this time around, I decided that my ingredients are going to be on display. So this actually came with a sticker and a pen that you can just put the label of what, whatever it is you're storing in each containers. Okay, I have these old ones and they're going to stay with me. I'm not changing them because I feel salt, seasoning cubes, and some ingredients are supposed to stay in bigger containers, and it's not bad. It actually looks good. It's a set of 5 or 4, I can't remember. It's been a while I got them, but these ones are going to stay there. I have 3 of it for my ingredients section, so they're going to stay there. And let's just dive right into this video. Okay, I'm just going to quickly bring down all the ingredients, and bring out all those bottles and start filling them in. Make sure you wash your bottles, okay? Yeah, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'm just filling the bottles, and I'm going to start putting them inside there. Yeah.
With my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bounded to get complacent. Pop out the smoker, ask Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet life, I'ma need to get my bread and no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts be long, but in real life you broke it in a Paul George fibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right, but the time is now, I'm finna knock out your lights. Got you thinking shoulda never tweaked on me twice, and had you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Damn. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Man, give me my money and stop playing. Give me that money. Yeah. Give me my money. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So guys, now I'm back to my cupboard. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to bring out everything there and go ahead to clean them out. I'm just going to use this place to store extra ingredients that I have. I don't want to be scattering there all the time, because I'm always, in fact, you guys see, since the organization, I've been enjoying using my kitchen, using my spices, using my ingredients to cook, because organization just makes a lot of things easier. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to take everything out and clean them out and arrange them. I also have some spices that are in labels, all these ones that are small packs. I'm going to put them inside a small container and just store them inside there. I'm going to arrange them pretty nicely. Okay, and that's just it. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and thank you so much if you viewed or if you watched my kitchen organization video. I am so thankful for all that views. I didn't expect it. I hope this one does well too. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please do what to like this video. If you're new, please subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. How do you store your ingredients? Do you like them on display in your kitchen, or you want to store them inside a cupboard? Just let me know. Okay, now I'm going ahead to put them inside there. I love having extra ingredients, especially when it comes to salt and seasoning cubes. You can never go wrong with that. Then thyme too. so I'm going to be keeping them in there, and it's easier to know the one that is about to finish, okay? Because most of them I keep them in my pantry, and sometimes I don't even know that it has finished, and boom, I am back to running helter skelter looking for extra ingredients to whatever I have to use and cook. But we are going to be avoiding that this time around, okay, you guys? So I'm just fixing all of that up. I'm just arranging it the way it can be, you guys, since this is not going to be a place that you are going to be seeing once you enter my kitchen. Don't look at some of you that like aesthetically pleasing things. Please just allow my ingredients to be, okay? So we're not doing color grading here. We're just using this place to store the extras that I have, okay, you guys? So yeah, and then we are back to my bottle and all of that. It's time to put the labels on. So these stickers, or this will I call it stickers or stick-ons, anyone? So I'm just going to put them on the bottles and start putting their names on it. This pen that it came with, you guys, it kept on cleaning, okay? So but that's by the way. I'm thinking of using something else to write on them, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up. It kept on cleaning, and I'm pretty tired. I'm just trying to label it for someone that might enter my kitchen and doesn't know which one is which. So it's mostly for that. But aside that, it keeps on cleaning, so I'm just going to find something else to use it to write on that will stay permanently, because I feel is the heat from the kitchen when I'm cooking. It keeps making it to clean off and all of that. But that's not an issue, okay? And yeah, if you've watched to this point of this video, please give this video a massive thumbs up. The Instagram store, I got this container and the racks from everything I used. I'm going to leave the link on my description box. You can check it out if you want to get one for yourself. Just check them out. They have tons of kitchen organization things, home organization things you can actually buy. So you guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So this is what it looks like, and this is what my cupboard looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.